one more thing. I haven't told my family member that I have my YouTube account. Yes, it's true. See, now I wanted to share with you what I learned from my journey. Start my channel and what really motivated me, what I learned from my channel. So these are the things that I'm going to describe with you. Came across a kind of people who say, like, if you subscribe my channel, then I would also subscribe your channel. But I don't like kind of thing. I feel like if you like my content, so definitely you like it because it's going to be helpful for you. And if you don't like, then it's okay. So you don't need. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka here. And today I'm here because I want to share something which is very close to my heart, and it happened because of your support. So, first of all, I would say thank you so much for being a part of my family. And today I'm here to share my journey from 0 to 1,000 subscribers. Yes, so it's not easy for me. Even I really put a lot of hard work behind that. I really give a lot of time and consistent effort. That is really important in a journey. So yes, so if I can do, then why can't you? Definitely you can also create your journey. And what I personally feel like, our life is a journey, right? And we are a writer, so we have the right to write our own story. So first of all, let's see the glimpse of my journey that I'm going to describe with you today, like why did I start my channel and what really motivated me, what I learned from my channel. So these are the things that I'm going to describe with you. And your support, without your support, nothing is possible, right? So thanks a lot once more. So first of all, I am going to describe with you why did I start my YouTube channel. To be honest, I wanted to improve my English. That's why I created my channel, because I wanted to see a better version of myself. I wanted to speak better and I wanted to give more expression while speaking with someone. And that's why I created my channel. So when I started my video, I started uploading videos on YouTube. So that time, seriously, I didn't know how to upload videos, like how to set camera, how to speak in front of the camera. So these all are really very challenging part for me, but I wanted to improve my videos. I wanted to improve my English, and that's why I started. So earlier I used to watch a lot of conversational videos. Then I thought, why should I not start? So that's how I started. So initially it was really very challenging for me because I didn't know anything. But in my journey, ChatGPT really helped me a lot. So whatever I didn't know, I just go to the ChatGPT and I ask there, and I got all the reply. So it really very helpful for me. I would also say thanks to ChatGPT who always helped me. So in this journey, that GPT really helpful, and I also absorb any other person videos. So if someone upload videos, so I go just and check their title, description, how they give a hashtag. That really helped me a lot to learn from that videos. So, and that's how I started making videos. So initially, I just wanted to improve my English. That's why I started. But later, as people started liking my videos, subscribing me, so somewhere I had become more attached to my channel and I started uploading every day. People gave me good comments, to say, ma'am, you are speaking very well. How can I learn with you? Then these kind of comments really give me confidence. Like, yes, I really speak well, like people say like this. And then I think it's become a part of my day. I really enjoyed, talking to new people and sharing my ideas with them, uploading conversational videos with them. So that's how then I started uploading every day. But in the middle, I felt demotivated when when I check any other people videos and they got good number of view and subscribers. But I told myself that I shouldn't compare myself to other, because I always wanted to focus on my main goal. My main goal was that I wanted to improve my English, not to compare to other, not to get more subscriber and views. So I never paid attention on these things like other subscribers, other views, because everyone had their own journey on YouTube, right? Some people get subscriber a lot, some people takes little bit time to earn love from people. So I personally feel like everyone have their own journey, so we should really embrace our own journey. And then I started somewhere. I felt demotivated, then I motivated myself, and I constantly put effort in my videos. So that's how I just continued in this video. I ordered a lot of mic, but I haven't got good quality of mic. Even I ordered 4 or 5 mic from a different website like Amazon, Flipkart, but I haven't got as I expected. So I just want to request you, if you know any good brand of mic, so please suggest me in my comment box so that I can order it and it might helpful for me too. So that's how I started my journey. Now I wanted to share with you what I learned from my journey. See, the first thing is very important to be consistent. You have to motivate yourself. You have to be consistent. That is first thing that is very important if you want to be a YouTuber, if you want to really embrace this journey. Second thing is that don't compare your channel with others. Everyone has their own journey, right? So you have your own journey. Try to be a better version of yourself. Try to be a good, give a good qualities of video, but don't compare yourself, because if you compare yourself to other, then you feel demotivated, right? And the third thing that I personally feel like, I wanted to share with you what happened when I started my YouTube channel. So that time I thought once I have like 100 subscribers, then I would share with my family member. But when I hit my 100 subscriber, that time I was not satisfied, and then again I thought I would share once I hit 500 subscriber. And still, when I have 1,000 subscriber, I haven't told to anyone. It's not because of I am hiding something from them. It's because if I share with them, then I have a kind of being judged problem. Like what would they think about me, about my English, my journey, and all. And that's why I didn't share anything with anyone, and it really helped me a lot. I feel like I'm more comfortable with a stranger because they are not going to judge me, right? And they would really enjoy my journey. They would learn something from it. So I there is no any my relatives on my subscriber list. So, and I want to add here one more thing. So I don't like a kind of deal like, if I have seen on, like while making conversational videos, I came across a kind of people who say like, if you subscribe my channel, then I would also subscribe your channel. But I don't like kind of thing. I feel like if you like my content, so definitely you like it, because it's going to be helpful for you. And if you don't like, then it's okay. So you don't need to subscribe me or like me and all. But I don't like kind of deal. So that's why even I don't share my YouTube link with anyone, because I feel like if you really like me, if you really feel you can learn from this video, so definitely you can go and hit the button. But I don't like a kind of this kind of deal. What about you? Do you like kind of deal, or you want to be honest? I want to be honest, seriously. That's why even I have seen a lot of people who shared with their family member and in their group, like please like and subscribe. But I really want someone who really like me so they can like me. I'm not on Instagram, I'm not on Facebook, I'm only on YouTube. And I really enjoying this journey the way you are giving me love. So thanks for it. One more thing. I haven't told my family member that I have my YouTube account. Yes, it's true. See, would say. So first of all, thank you so much. And the second thing, if I can create my journey, then definitely you can also. So don't wait for perfection. Don't wait right time. Don't think that once I become fluent, then I will start. No, there is a no right time, because whatever you know, whatever you have, just start. If you also want to be a YouTuber, you want to create your journey on YouTube, so just go ahead. Don't think about earning money. Don't think about your subscriber or other person. So your main goal should be always to help other. Definitely, my goal is to, I really want to help my viewers, whatever I know. The second thing is that you should always work on yourself instead of comparing yourself to other. And I think these two things really help you a lot. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if you find this video useful, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much.